I've been farming for 40+ years. Back in the 70s and 80s, things were so much different. I mean, everything now is high tech. Repairs are so much more expensive now than they were back 20, 30 years ago. So this protection plan that Cenex got it's great. It's a wonderful program because we've had an engine blow up in our combine and they covered it. We were combining, we were about half done with the harvest, and I just got an unloading into the grain cart, and all at once a bunch of codes come up on my monitor, and I told my son something's wrong, and he says, well, shut it down, shut it off right away. So I lifted the head up and shut the engine off, and it was really bad. Blew a hole about the size of a soccer ball inside of the engine. We're lucky to be close to that Cenex station that we do all our business with. One thing nice about Keith and the Cenex store, what they say is gospel. So then we called Keith and he says, well, make sure you send all the oil samples in? And I said, yes. He says, well, you should be covered then. And when Keith told me that they were gonna cover that, it was just a big weight come off my shoulders. Well, it'd have been devastating because when that engine blew up, it was over $80,000 to fix the engine. And most operations, I mean, it just don't work to have a big bill like that with all the other bills that you got. If somebody would ask me if they would think about joining this total protection plan, I would say 100%. It's a total peace of mind. They've never let us down before, and they never will. So, I mean, that's just how they are. That's how they operate. Everybody that works there is just top shelf. I recommend that Cenex Total Protection Plan to anybody. I wouldn't ever buy a piece of equipment without going on it. Guarantee it. Used or new. It's the only way to go.